make sure you look up negative to positive and positive to negative.
Yeah. We got this all good to go. Motor mounts are in there. Got the bolts in there.
Hold that nut back there.
Which one? Oh, this one.
Can you spin it over there?
Yep.
There, you got room for the wrench over there?
Oh, no, I don't have room for the ratchet. We'll work together. Oh shit, we gotta take it back off.
What's going on? Oh, the ground?
Yeah, we gotta put the ground on. Alright, we'll be back.
Accused for shitty ass videos. What the hell is this little crappy little wire? What's he gonna do with this thing? That's his ground wire?
That's his ground wire, man.
What the hell's he gonna do with that damn thing? Damn moron. Look at that solid.
It's his fucking wiring job, man. That's his ground. He said he had it fucking mounted to the motor mounts too. So.
Dumbass. Damn, that's stiff. That's some crappy ass cable. It's starting to even work with that thing on there. Look at the right size wire. What's he got connected to in there? Oh, this ain't electric start, it's kickstart. Okay. I'm still a dumbass. Now you don't need to be anywhere near this thing. Okay, where's the spot we're gonna go to? Yeah, poke it up through there, right there. See that nut on the back side right there?
Yeah, you're gonna have to take that off.
I have to get a longer bolt. Yeah, there's the other side of the frame. Right to there. 3/8, yeah, it's perfect. 3/8 hole, 5/16 bolt. That'll work. Go for it. It's right here, Gino. It ain't too small, it's what it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Need an extension or something?
Yeah. Alright, great, thank you. Alright.
Okay, yeah, pull it out. Glue another bolt. Third drawer down.
Alright, great, thank you.
Second drawer, wait, finer cord is fine. Second drawer down.
Yes.
Okay, where's the washer?
I don't know, you just over there.
I have a washer. Let's see a washer.
There's a washer on there.
Where? I didn't know washer on there.
The washer's over here.
I don't know the washer on
Yeah,
my
there's a
side.
washer on
Here,
this side.
we'll take care of that problem now.
There's one right
We
there.
got one right here. Already took care of it. Walker didn't need that.
Here, abundance of washers.
That's right. We'll use that for something else. Go for it. Tighten it up. Going the right way?
I hope.
Once you put a longer extension on there, you don't need to drag in everything. Prime example of an extension too short.
Where are the extensions, man?
It's in the tools where they belong, right behind me. Give him that foot long one, that'll be long enough. There you go.
This is what I'm
Now that's long enough to get the job done.
Well, that's an extension.
Now you got plenty of room to work, not screwing up this titty oil tank over there.
Yep, the titties. Zoom in on them. Actually,
Okay.
don't.
Is that what those are?
Those are definitely tits all over that. Oh, you're not allowed to film that, man. We'll
Top
get kicked out. Kicked out of the YouTube
I couldn't tell what they were.
They're tits, all right.
I guess now that you told me, now I know. But
Yeah, there's
seen
one of
those
those
before,
chicks
huh?
I was
sucking on her own
wondering what they
titty.
were.
There's titties
you
right
from?
there. There's soapy titties right there. There's big flapjack ones.
All right, man.
Put them in there. I'm gonna ban my videos now. Decent exposure or
I
something.
was at this guy's garage one time, and he had this book sitting there, and it was called Big Book of Breasts.
Yep, sounds like a good
And
one.
it was a nice book.
On Amazon, $12.
Okay, what else
Probably.
got over there?
Everything looks good.
See that? Alright, get our light on. Oh, I can see now. Okay, we got our ground wire in there. We got the new oil feed line right there. Coming down the back side all over here. Tucked up clean, up on here where it belongs.
All looks good now.
That clears our chain, which is right through here. This all clears our chain over here. The light went out again. There it goes. We got all the bolts in here with a big thick washer, so you can pull the mount back. What you didn't see when we tightened up the motor mount up here is we jacked up the front of the motor here to take the weight off of it, so it would not break the mount like his did. So if your mount's breaking back here all the time, it's because some dumbass tightened the motor up without having the weight off of it.
I didn't do that ever.
It looks just like you. All right, here. Show them something important over there. I'm busy.
Alright. Now we just got to put on primary side, then the top end, gas it up.
You got to fix
Oil it up.
over here.
The
Tighten
what?
those up.
Yeah, we got to tighten those things up too, right there.
Take the rest of that quart of oil I got and put it in here.
Yep.
Get it soaking.
Alright, let's go get that started. So we're reaming out my tank because it's too dinky to have a proper flow for my carb that I'm putting on there. So I've had to gently put the booby trap tank. Strap it down all nice and tight so this thing doesn't flop around. So we just gotta ream it out step by step and then thread it.
Down a little. There, right there. Yeah, you were there already.
About that size there.
Oh.
That's a quick one.
Yep, that was a quick ream right there. We work lightning fast here at Tatro Machine.
Next one.
Down, right there.
Smoking barrel.
What size is that? Oh, 9/16.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't it. Hold up.
What was that? 1730.
This is the final one.
Unless I screw it up. This one's probably dull. Good there?
Yes.
Yeah, where's that tap?
So you don't lose the chuck.
Chuck what?
Key.
Chuck key. Key chuck. Chuck and keys, homie.
Chuck, that's the key.
Key to the chuck.
Chuck, key.
Key to the chuck.
Drill. Motor.
Drill motor. Drill motor.
Drill.
Drill.
Over here. That's a tap.
That's a tap. That is one messed up tap.
Big messed up tap.
Let's have another
Used tap.
slightly used.
We'll have to figure out which video I broke that in.
This is the same one as the fire.
I gotta go back and study the videos again.
This looks too big. Could be hard. Block battle. So what kind of a driver we got?
You know, you don't have nothing that's gonna fit there. You got something hidden away somewhere.
It's back there.
Reading was the easy part.
Yeah. Here comes the fun part, huh?
Yep, the big one.
Yep.
Look at these fancy new heads.
New to who?
New to me. Well, not really.
You gonna flow some air to them now?
Maybe. Look at that.
Unshrouded. First seat.
Look at
More compression.
that. But smooth with the air intake.
So you're gonna have to reposition this so that you can top it. So someone with red hair might have to hold it real good.
You mean like put pressure on it while someone turns it? Is that what you're talking about?
You have to swing that big handle.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not that much leverage.
No problem.
Yeah.
All right. Figure that out. It's good from this angle.
Oh, that's good from this one too. You can hear it.
It's a cutting.
Yeah.
More lube in there.
You want to keep that over here? I can lube it up while you.
No, just every now and then. That's fine. Every couple turns. It's a tapered pipe, so it cuts the whole length of the thread all the way down. Probably get the more ratchet tie down than that. You'll see. I didn't screw the sticker down there yet. Look at that. Sticker's still good.
It's not sticker, man. That's paint.
Paint.
Yeah, one shot.
One shot paint.
Can't wait to see this on YouTube.
Yeah. Looks like something you should be filming because I'm working.
Yeah, I hear it.
I'm supposed to be working on these things right here.
Yeah, you're supposed to be doing the real work.
Yeah.
Screwing around. Playing with stupid toys.
Playing with booby tanks.
Yep. Can you work out for the day?
That tap's about as dull as my life.
Walker's gas tank.
Yep. Oh, I thought it was there. See if that one's a little sharper.
That's used.
This one's even more used.
Damn, you've heated this thing up. Fucking something savage. What's going in that angle?
Kino's getting his PT for the week.
Fuck yeah.
More PT, drill sergeant.
That's right.
We like it. We love it. We
Want more of it.
I think we're almost done. Because, like, we're like way down here. Think we did some cutting?
Now
Oh, you did some cutting?
Now you better do some blowing.
Yep.
Blow all those chunks out of there from the gas tank side. From the filling side. Well, moment of truth, huh?
Yep. Look at that. Beautiful.
That's it, man. That'll work.
Cool. Perfect. Thank you.
Oh. Lost the filter.
Now the fuel tank's got a filter.
It's got a permanent filter now. Well, it's gonna be loose.
That'll come out
Flopping
of the,
around in
It'll
there.
come out of the big one. We don't have to worry about that. Is it like right there?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, fuck it.
Alright, that's it.